Good morning. I'm Gauthier Dahl from Odhio, the Sound in Silence. What's Sound in Silence? That's right. We provide sound to everyone, but not with loudspeaker, with your smartphone. And then you can control the sound wherever you want. It's very easy system to use for the listener. Just scan a QR code like that, and you get sound immediately. Today we are very proud to present at InfoComm 2026, it's a world premiere, the XLD system. Here's the MK2 version, so it's a Linux-based system. We have done the same device. It was developed for Olympic Games in Paris, but it was a Mac version. This one is easier to use with Linux inside. And this unit is developed in collaboration with Digigram, and then you have 32 channels in one rack. So you can design 32 channels of different conference, screen, everything. So thank you for listening, and ready to make a demo for this product? Thank you.